It's almost like he's afraid of it.
No way!
Thomas?
Thomas, honey? What is it? Who's that from?
What was it? Brown box.
JC,
Thank you.
who's it from? Is it from Grammy?
I'm gonna buy that one.
What do you think? Do you like it?
It might be.
Golf clubs? So you can go with Joe and Daddy. Thank you.
I waited for what to eat.
Yeah?
For years.
Yeah.
For years, huh? For years.
Years.
Do you like it, honey? You look promise. What, honey? We'll take some stuff out after, okay?
Got yourself a one.
I'm not gonna take it out right now.
Got some pitching wedge. Yep.
And you can go practice.
Put it back and then you can move on with the next one.
I think that's cute, don't you? The little.
Sorry. Jace, go ask Daddy. See, is there any more?
Oh yes.
See, Jace, we're in a good place for this.
Say it on the more.
Jace, you ready for your next one?